guys, and welcome back to my video. Me, my brother, and his best friend, we just landed in the UK, specifically in Manchester, and we just got picked up. We're literally driving to the city centre in Manchester. I'm very excited to show my brother and his friend the country itself, and I can't wait to see more of Manchester. Have fun watching this video, and yeah, let's explore the city. Hi guys, I'm currently in Manchester. I just arrived. Before we're going out to explore the city and to eat some food because I'm really hungry, I just got a small gift, the Dubai chocolate. This Dubai chocolate is the original one from Dubai. This is crazy. Like, this is the original one. Very popular. This was like 12 pounds, which is like kind of a lot of money. Like, it's kind of expensive for a chocolate. Now we're gonna open up and try the chocolate. We'll see if the hype is actually worth it or not. Yeah, let's open up. Oh my goodness, I don't even want to ruin the package because it's so pretty. It is. Look at this package. Pink. Okay, pink. God damn, look at this. Oh my god. Okay, we opened up. Now we're gonna try it, and I want to like crack it like this. So I love this color already. Look at that. Crazy I know. Oh my god, look at this. So pretty. Can't believe it. Okay, let's try it. This is the best chocolate ever. It's not like those fake Dubai chocolates. This original Dubai chocolate is the best chocolate I've ever tried in my life. Like, look at this. And it's like really crispy when you eat it. Let me do a rating. I'll rate this chocolate at 11 out of 10. Yes. Now we're gonna go outside, explore Manchester City. We already saw a little bit while we were in the car. My brother and his friend are with themselves outside, exploring and stuff. And we're gonna go eat because we're really hungry. I haven't eaten proper food yet, and we have like 10 a.m. or so. We're gonna go now, and I'll record everything for you guys and have fun watching this video. Oh my god, that's so cute. That's nothing. That's so cute. We're going to the Korean store, you guys. Oh my god. Finally. Look how big. This is huge. Oh my god. Okay, we're craving for some ramen. Oh my god. So I'm gonna take this one. Oh my god, I miss this so much, you guys don't even know. Oh my god, look what they have, you guys. It's so nice. Oh my god. I don't even know which one to get. Let's open up. Okay, let's drink it, guys. It's actually good. It's sweet. 8 out of 10. It's still good. Okay, we're in this chopstick. Guys, Manchester is actually really pretty. Like, this is a taxi right here. Completely different than Germany. food. Oh my god. Hi guys, we're sitting down now to take a small walk break because it's really tiring. And we got this jackfruit in yellow and we're gonna try it now. I never tried jackfruit in my life, so this is gonna be my first time trying jackfruit. I hope it's gonna be good. This is the view. Looks so clean. Oh, it looks so shiny. This is good. I'm gonna get this one. Can I get hazelnut fantasy, please?
4 Mile, Edinburgh, outside. Outside. You're enjoying it. If you're not, well, that's my internet stuff, social media. Snoop Dogg, drop it like it's hot, then hip hop freestyle.
Okay guys, we're back in the car because we want to take again a walk break, and like just a small break because we're so tired and we walk literally everywhere. And I was in the mood. This is why I love the UK, because they offer something like this. It's called Cake Box. They probably have that in Germany as well, like something similar, but I think in my town there's like literally nothing of them. And let's open up and let's try this. I think I never tried this flavor. Let me show you guys how cute it looks. I think I showed it in the video already. Ooh, look at this. I like the packaging, and you can open it in here as well, but we're not gonna do that. And I forgot to take a spoon, so we're just gonna use this one right here to eat, but that's fine. But I made a mess. It's so good. We're going to Nando's. Nando's is my favorite ever. Look at this car, you guys. Okay guys, I hope you can see me. So we're back in the car. I am so tired. I only had like 2 hours of sleep in total. So first we went to Manchester city centre to explore what's in there, and we walked like a lot in there, and it's actually like a really pretty city. I do prefer London way more because London is like top tier in my opinion. Like it's so pretty in there, but Manchester is also not bad. It's definitely not my favorite city, but still fine. I just made my experience and we took a lot of pictures, and this outfit is still from the airport, so it's nothing too special, I guess. After Manchester city centre we went to Trafford Centre. It's a really big, like huge mall with a lot of shops, restaurants, and a lot of like shopping options, and we just went there. We didn't really go shopping much. We only bought like a few stuff, like small things, and I also bought like 2 lip liner, you guys. Kiko Milano, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I searched them for so long and they were always sold out, but I was lucky enough to get some of them, so I got 2 shades of them, and in the shade 34 and 33. Really good, so pretty. And then we went to Nando's, one of my all-time favorite restaurants. Got the boneless chicken thigh with like 2 regular sides, and yeah, I'm really full. I'm not hungry anymore. imagine you guys living in here? Such a dream. And then you have like the sea view. Yes. So you guys, it's a little bit later now and we're gonna get fish and chips. It's a really traditional British food. It's like a fish cod with chips. In other words, fries. And yeah, we're gonna get it. It's one of the best in here. And yeah, the beach is so pretty. I really recommend you guys to come here once, I don't know, if you're ever like visiting the north of UK. It's called Redcar Beach and it's like near Middlesbrough and it's really pretty. I wish we had like a beach like this in Germany. We do have beaches in Germany, like in the north. I've been there and it's like way different. Guys, we're just sitting here. We got a slush, we got fish and chips. Look how good this looks, guys. The taste is so good. This is our view. We're just sitting down in here and over there is the sea. So nice. Oh my god. Hi guys, it's the next day now and we are in Newcastle actually. Yesterday we were on the beach, Redcar Beach near Middlesbrough, and today we're gonna walk around Newcastle. I've been here like many times, I think over 5 times, but my brother hasn't been here and we just thought about to bring him here to also like explore the city and to see how it is in here. And I personally love Newcastle. Like it's actually a beautiful and a really cute city. It's actually worth to see it, I guess. And yeah, we're probably gonna eat Jollibee because I love Jollibee, you guys. The last time I had it was pretty long time ago. So yeah, we're gonna eat Jollibee, we're gonna walk around, probably need to buy a few stuff, and then we'll see what we're gonna do next. And yeah, let's enjoy the day. The spaghetti here is so good. Look at that. Then now I'm gonna open it. Let's try this. Mango coconut ice cream. A 10 out of 10, it's good.